Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So Nifty in 5 minutes chart on Wednesday, it was a weekly expiry as well. It was a month end expiry. So for the month of June, the expiry went well. On the last expiry day of the month, we have seen a all-time high breakout, and Nifty closed with 154 points and Bank Nifty closed with 206 points positive. So now very much interesting in coming month, the July, there will be changes in the expiry dates of Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, Mid Cap Nifty. So we have to see how the market is going to react. So now let's begin the open interest analysis and we'll see what the big player are planning. We'll follow by FII in options input. They were holding 3.49 lakhs of put buying contract. Now they have unwinded 1.63 lakhs. So still holding 1.85 lakhs of put buying contract for the month of July, and in call they were holding 3.29 lakhs of call buying. They have unwinded 69,000 contract, still holding 2.59 lakhs contract. So call buying is more than put buying. It means they are bullish in options. Future index 66% long, 34% short. So it means they have roll forwarded their long positions for the month of July. So they have increased 6% long, reduced 6% short. This shows a bullishness in futures in options by FII. Stock future percentage 53% long, 47% short, and in cash market they have purchased for 12,350 crores. So this is a huge amount, but this also includes the block deals and bulk deals they have done on the last business day. So FII view is bullish only. Client are the retailers in put. They were holding 82,000 of put writing contract. Now they have unwinded 4,000 contracts, still holding 77,000 contract in put writing. And in call they were holding 4.45 lakhs of call writing contract. They have unwinded 1.46 lakhs of call writing. It means they have booked the loss on the call writing side, still holding 2.99 lakhs of call writing. So they are bearish in options. Future index 45% long, 55% short. They have reduced the long, increased the short by 4 percentage. Stock future percentage 85% long, 15% short, and they have sold for 316 crores in the cash market. So see, client view is slight bearish only. Promoters input, they were holding 3 lakhs of put writing contract. They have unwinded 1.75 lakhs of put writing contract, still holding 1.26 lakhs of put writing. And in call they were holding 1.15 lakhs of call buying contract. They have booked a very good profit on call buying and put writing contract, still holding 39,000 contract in call buying. Still they are very much bullish in options. Future index 38% long, 62% short. It means they have increased the long, reduced the short by 7%. Stock future percentage 67% long, 33% short, and they are purchased for 220 crores. So see, promoters view is super bullish now. DI have sold for 1021 crores. So cash flow was 11,233 crores positive value. So put call ratio for coming week expiry, Nifty is at 1.44 and Bank Nifty is at 1.33. Super bullish Nifty and Bank Nifty for the coming week expiry. And for month end, this month end belongs to July expiry. Nifty is at 1.27, Bank Nifty is at 1.09. So neutral to positive for month end, but this week is super bullish. So Nifty is slightly going in overbought zone for this week, so we have to be slight careful in Nifty. Now let's check the change in OI. Nifty for coming week expiry. What the traders are carry forwarding. A huge put writing is at 18,900, and also we have seen a good put writing at 18,950 and 19,000. So people carry forwarding 19,000 short straddle. So major support resistance is at 19,000 only, and good support is at 18,900. And for Bank Nifty, what traders carry forward, good number of put writing addition we have seen at 44,000 to 44,500. People also carry forwarding 44,500 short straddle. So we can see 44,500 acting as a resistance, and major support is at 44,000 only. Now let's say the price action. Nasdaq in 1 day time frame, they are open today. Nasdaq trading slight negative by 30 points, whereas Dow is trading super bullish by 125 points positive, whereas SGX trading positive by 31 points. And we have seen India VIX has gone up by 1%. It is at 10.88, still comfortable. So Nifty in 1 day time frame, it has made a spinning top kind of a candle, and it has broke our major resistance of all time high levels 18,890. So now it is wait and watch. We have to see it is going to sustain at this level or not. Okay, as per the price action it is bullish only, but still it is wait and watch as per the price action. Whereas Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame, it is still struggling to break these levels of 44,500. So Bank Nifty, until the Bank Nifty not supporting Nifty, Nifty is not going to move high. So as per the price action, Nifty is positive, Bank Nifty is consolidating. So mark the algo points. Nifty support comes around 18,885 and resistance comes around 19,035. Bank Nifty support comes around 44,157. Resistance comes around 44,502. So see, as per the open interest analysis, the data is positive only. So we will not think of shorting until there is a bad news in the market. We can just think of buying in every dip. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.